Hey everybody, this is Brad from Johnson Small Engines. We have here a John Deere X320 with a 48-inch deck. I want to show you how to take the mower deck off of it. It's pretty straightforward. You want to make sure, like I said before, try to get on a concrete or asphalt drive or something that makes it a little bit easier to slip them off. They do actually have on this one, you can turn these sideways if you'd like to. It makes it easier to take them off. I think if you just have it on a slippery surface, it's just as easy to slide it out without them, because they're plastic wheels and they actually they roll pretty good out there. They slide out pretty good and easy. Okay, so this one here is set at about 3.5 right now. So what you want to do is you want to take the left pedal is your height pedal for your deck. That lifts your mower deck up and down. Push it all the way down. Turn this all the way. Turn your height adjuster all the way to 0. Well, actually it goes to 1. And then it's going to go down to the ground. Now what you have to do is you're going to pull this back, and then once you pull that back, you have your mower lift knob here. All right, pull this all the way back and then lift up the mower deck knob, and it actually locks this in the down position, and that makes it really easy to get the quick couplers off the bottom of the mower deck. So just remember that once you have it all the way down to 1 or 0 on your deck height, then put your mower deck all the way down, and then pull this foot pedal back with your hand and lift up on your mower deck lift, and it will lock it in. All right, so we're going to go under and take off the PTO belt first, because it has 2 belts on this one. It has a power takeoff belt, which goes from the engine to the mower deck, and they're usually cogged. This is a very simple one. This has an arm, a lever, and actually just hooks in right here. Unhook it, pull back out, spring loaded, comes out all the way. And then your belt should just drop off the 2 pulleys. One in the front, okay, and there's one in the rear, and you'll be able to take that out. You should be able to take that out, right here. All right, so we have the cog belt, and just check for cracks. And this one's in good condition. We're actually servicing the machine, so we're gonna take this off and service it. All right, so we have that off, and then we come to our arms. Now there's only one arm on this, and it's a quick disconnect. All right, so that's all you gotta do is pull this out. Now sometimes they're a little tricky, sometimes they're easy. Now, all right, so this one came out fairly easy. And this one, sometimes they lock out, but this one doesn't. So you wanna push your arm up out of the way there, and then you can let that go. So your arm's sitting up out of the way, but we're gonna raise that later. We're gonna get to the other side right now. So go ahead and get to the other side. And let's see if this one's easy. All right, that one's pretty easy too. So now, me being one hand, it's a little tricky, but pull it out, raise that up, out of the way. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick up the deck that's all the way down from the pedal. All right, so we're gonna pull the pedal back. This is the mower lift pedal. Pull it back, push the button back down. Now that will lift these arms out of the way. All right, so if you go under and look at it, the arms should be lifted up out of the way so we can slide this deck out. All right, so now we have to get off the front pulleys, or the front arm, not pulleys, have to get off the front arm, the front hanger right here. So what I do in this case, you can take them off the front by these pins, okay? But I don't, because you don't need to. All right, so push the mower deck forward a little bit just to get it out of the groove here. Pick this arm up. All right, I use a piece of wire, and just wrap a piece of wire around it. Twist it around. Find a good spot somewhere up into the frame that has a hole in it, like right here. And just hang it up out of the way. And it's not gonna, just make sure it doesn't interfere too much with your steering. All right, so I put it on the inside of the steering. So this is just hung up out of the way right now. And now we should just be able to slide this out. And there you have it. 48-inch deck, all ready to go. Thanks for watching.